I'm Martin Coven, and I'm a Principal Experience Designer for 3ds Max. One of the new features found in the 2020.1 update is the radius bias. You can find it here in the chamfer options under the depth parameter. Changing the radius bias amount will alter the shape of the chamfer in some areas. As you can see here, this mesh has a very acute convex corner. The chamfer that is generated is much sharper here than the rest of the model. By adjusting the radius bias, you get a more rounded shape. In the 2020 release, we added the ability to drive the chamfer amount with crease weights. With Update 1, you can also use the weight channel. To help visualize the difference between driving the chamfer amount with crease weights and by weight, here are two different boxes. The one on the left is using crease weights, and we see the weight is interpolated along each edge, so the corners remain nice and round, while the edges grow smaller or larger in amount along their edge length. The box on the right uses by weights and has a constant amount along the length of each edge, and the corner point is distorted based on the different weights coming in from each edge. You can adjust the weights and the edge properties of the editable poly object or with an edit poly modifier. We've also added the ability to use weight channels as input and output in the data channel modifier. Here I've created a preset that uses the area of the face to drive the by weight channel. I also have a normalize operator that allows me to fine-tune the amount of the chamfer over the model. Since this is a fairly low poly model, I'd like to add an open subdiv modifier to it, so I'll make some adjustments to the chamfer modifier. As you can see, we have a corner that is collapsing underneath the vertical edge. I'll take this opportunity to show you another new feature that we've added to the inset. In 2020, we added a face inset to the chamfer modifier. Now we have added another inset type called flow loop. Now this corner is looking much better. With the 2020.1 update, we've also added a depth weight channel to add varying depth within the chamfer modifier. Just like the weight and crease weight, you can manipulate the depth weight channel in the editable poly object and edit poly modifier. And of course, we also added it to the data channel modifier. We hope you enjoy the new updates to the chamfer modifier, and as always, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.